Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly put two videos together in Canva. First, open Canva, click on Video, and choose the desired size. Next, let's take two videos as examples. Click on Uploads and select the videos you want to use. Click on the first video and add it to a blank page. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners of the video or reposition it on the page as needed. To add your second video, click the plus sign to add a new page. Then insert your second video and make adjustments. Preview your video by clicking the play button. You can also add transitions between the two videos. If you're satisfied with the result, click on Share, then select Download. Choose MP for video file type and select the pages with your two videos. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.